What's up? So today I'm going to show you how to increase your average order value by 50% without making any change to your website. So everything is going to happen on your back end and it's going to be super seamless. It will not harm your conversion rate on your front end and you will make way more money that way. So why is that important? Is because average order value and lifetime value are actually the lifeblood of your business. How much profit can you pull out of one customer compared to your competitors? So this is you before this video and this is you after. So if you complete these steps, you'll be able to dominate your niche, be more profitable than your competitors, spend more on ads, and actually put them out of business. So why am I qualified to do this? This is basically one of my clients. You can see he has an AOV of $191. The average AOV right there before we used to work with him was about $100. Now we can get up to 191. This is super efficient. I'm basically going to show you how to replicate that same setup for yourself. Now, a lot of people, when they're looking at AOV, they want to apply a lot of the tactics, right? What can I apply today that is magically going to make my AOV increase, that is going to be the silver bullet to fix all of my problems? This doesn't work like that. You need to spend actually a lot more time than just a quick day of quick fixing. But first, let's talk about one singular misconception that a lot of people have about average order value. And it's the fact that your AOV is directly correlated to how much people place their trust in you. So the more people trust you, the more they're going to be able to spend with you without batting an eye, right? So everything that we're going to talk about this video is how to make people trust you more over email marketing so that they can spend $300, $500, $1,000. So the first thing is going to be email design. Basically, quick example, we're going to have two brands, one right here, and this is actually an email design that I've done just for the purpose of this video. They are not my clients, but you will get the point in a second. So look at these emails and ask yourself, who would you be more comfortable giving $100 to? You have that brand right here. Very good emails. So you can read through them. I'm going to put the document in the description so you can basically see the copy as well as the design that you can see right here. But basically browse through the email, and if you look at that, if you had to guess, they're making at least $1 million a year. You would be 100% comfortable with giving them your $100. But if you look at this, it might be the exact same brand, but just because they have poor design, the text is just showing up weird, the product's off-centered, and then it looks like it's made in a drag and drop editor here. Just because of that, you might not even order at all. Not only if you do order, you're not going to put as much money, but you might even not even convert in the first place. So email design is very important because this looks scammy and this looks legit. Like you will actually spend money with that brand. If your emails look like this, people won't spend at all. So that was the first point. Make your emails absolutely crispy. You want to look as legit as possible. You want to look like a $10 million brand. By looking at your emails, people shouldn't be able to tell that you're small if you are small. Then, second point is your email frequency. It's basically proven that the more people see you, the more they trust you. That's why you trust your family. That's why you trust your friend, is because you have a lot of repeated exposure to them. So it's very important that you stay top of mind. Because if you show up to their inbox like once every 3 months, basically they're going to hit unsubscribe, not even order at all, and then they will literally not be responsive to anything that you ask them to do. Then you're going to have to warm up your list, because not only you want to stay top of mind, but you also want the maximum amount of people to actually go ahead and open your email. So I'll link a separate video on warming up your list, making sure that your deliverability is on point. This is not going to be the point of this video, but I'll still link the warming up your list video here. And again, another point is that brand owners, some of them, not all of them, but they genuinely believe that emailing people once every a couple of months with a 50% off offer will actually convert the list. I promise you it doesn't work like that, and you need to send campaigns even if you don't have an offer to make. So if you're a brand selling supplements, you need to send email about your actual recipe, why your supplement is good, how did you come up with the formula, what ingredients are in there, or are they natural, or are they organic, etc. You need to send people emails like that so that they can trust that when they're going to give you their money, they're gonna get exactly what they expect out of your product, and so that they know that you're legit whenever you're gonna have a sales period. But if you just come up with a 50% off discount once every 2 months, then yes, you're not that expensive, but people doubt that you're gonna have the solution to their problem. Then let's get into point 3. It's gonna be bundling and guarantees. So these two, I put them together, but they have nothing to do with each other really. But it's gonna be the first thing that you're going to do is pack your products together, and you need to think through the way you pack those bundles. You don't pack two products together if they are not either complementary or if it doesn't make sense for you to incentivize buying that bundle from an economics perspective. So a quick example right here is if you have $100 AOV, you create a bundle that is worth way more than that. So if your AOV is $100, you come up with them bundle that is at least $150 or more. I'd go for $200 so that you can have a tiny amount that you can discount. So if people generally order for $100, you will have that as a standard base, but you will really push people to purchase that $200 option, and you have maybe some room to give them maybe a $10 or 10% off, so that your order, even if people take the discount, is going to be worth $180 to $190. So this is very important. So yeah, you really want to be smart about the way you create bundles, because this can single-handedly bring your AOV to the sky. So what I recommend is you do two things. One, you establish demand before actually coming up with a bundle. So you will have a list of your most popular product, your best sellers, and you pack a bundle with products that are actually complementary to that. And two, you also want to figure out the math behind the bundle through your profit and numbers like that. And then you also want to have a guarantee, right? Because the brand that I work with that have a guarantee, I promise you, are converting so much better than if they didn't have a guarantee. And the reason I say I promise you is because you can't split test that. When people know you have a guarantee, it's not like you can turn it off and then magically people just forget that you have a guarantee. So that's for your bottom of funnel. But yeah, come up with a guarantee, and I promise you, you will convert way better than that. And another example I have is the email that we send that are purely focused on the guarantee. So if the brand has a 30-day money back, we will come up with copy and design that emphasize purely that these emails print money. Like if it's the only thing that is mentioned in the email and that we develop, we tell them how effortless it's to return the product or how effortless it is to ask for a refund, like the email just works. That was it for this video. If you want me directly to personally help you with implementing all of this for your backend so that you can increase your average order value, and we also have a guarantee that you make $30,000 to $100,000 in new monthly revenue for your e-commerce business with email marketing, then you can book a call at retainwithemails.com with us. And the advantage of it, we write the copy, we design the email, and we take care of distribution, so actually sending the email, and you only have to review everything before we launch to your email. And another thing is you only pay after it works. So we have a pricing structure that is based on the revenue we add to your business, so it's truly risk-free on your end if we don't perform. Now, you can also subscribe to this channel because there are going to be more and more videos that are amazing quality on how to grow your e-commerce business with email marketing. Thank you.